Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Today we're going to get into a point of view video that I forgot to post. It is of a buddy of mine. We're covering up some lips on his chest using monochromatic grayscale on the cloud work. So let's get into that video here. It's a time lapse, so hopefully you enjoy.
We stand and deliver the bullets, delivers. Ripping the fatty tissue from the gristle. We quick to retreat when we hear the police. Quick for the jump, we can run to your spot. I ain't for the legs while he popping the top. No way you can stop it, we taking no hostage for paying us homage. We on the way out. Kicking the door like I'm King Leonidas. These bitches, they love it, these niggas don't like it. Bet you $100 they won't fight us. I bet you these haters suck dick and they like it. Niggas be barking but too scared to bite. Pull out the thermal when they try to hide. Straight to the back, watch me hit him like Ricky. He fall to the ground from the hole in his spine. You wantin' that beef, keep throwing that salt. I'm an equip and pull up like a Uber. First knock on your door, then I fill it with hoses. For when you know it, you fucking with shooters. I gotta go ahead, put a tag on the soul. Savage is back with a radical flow. This chopper gon' stutter when I let it go. And it's cutting like butter, it's dairy. I know feel froggy, bitch, you better say something. Nameless dropping that napalm. I walk the walk, you just talk a lot. This food for thought, you better take some. No handouts, you get nuts from me. A lot of these niggas don't fuck with me. My senpai reloaded it, we can control it. This talk is cheap and we can bust for free, cause
All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you have made it this far, that was a track that I've recorded a long time ago. I also do music as well. Leave in the comments and let me know if you think it's trash or if you would bump it. Along with that, I'm definitely not going to quit my day job. I'm going to continue tattooing. But once again, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. It really helps the channel out. Thank you. As this video is coming to the end, we are doing the last wipe down. And you can see the grayscale in the clouds. There's some grayscale in the wings, also the sparrow as well. So the border will have filigree and a little light shading behind it that I whipped out with a liner needle. And I'm just giving them the last wipe down before I wrap them up with derm shield and send them on its way. Let me know what you think in the comments, what I can work on in the future. Thank you.